The babies are definitely interested. This is Walter and Cookie, and their first 2 eggs were incubated and they hatched out, which is a good thing I incubated them because Cookie sat on eggs for close to 2 months and they never did hatch, so she just didn't do it right because I know they were fertile. But at least I got 2 out of them because I incubated them, and they are 2 weeks old. It's interesting that Cookie is a little bit distant from them. Walter's right up next to him and Cookie only wants to get so close.
You're surprised she's not getting closer.
But the ducklings are really interested in Walter, which I find is pretty interesting too.
Yeah, he's talking back to them.
Yeah. They're like, how do we get out of here? How do we get to where you're at?
Mom, Dad, can you get us out? This dog's not nice.
Well, and that's probably the main reason I don't want the ducklings out, is because I just don't trust those dogs. I do want to put a little pool in here for them, though.
It's not Walter, so he's barking at.
Who's barking, Shep or Toby?
Can't tell. I can see he's behind the thing that it looks like Toby. Oh, your baby's right there. Let's see him.
Go see your babies, Mama. Those are your babies, Cookie. She destroyed her last egg today because it wasn't going to hatch.
It's definitely Toby.
Walter's like, where are you guys going? It's pretty interesting. I'll have to do some more research. Maybe males play a bigger part in child rearing.
He's barking at something.
It's probably a squirrel.
He's barking down towards the pond. So she's not interested in he is.
Did she take to them?
No.
Her not at all.
Walter, though?
Yeah.
Walter's super interested.